How to add other story to my story on Instagram without being mentioned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Ad Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can go ahead and then add other story to your story even if you're not mentioned in it. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now if you're aware, then on Instagram you can directly repost someone's story as long as you are tagged in it. For example, if you're tagged in a specific story, you can go ahead and then tap on the add this to your story button and you'll be able to successfully add them to your story. But you can see I'm neither tagged in none of these stories. So if I just open a random story over here and then I simply want to add this to my own story, what I can do is, as always, I can just go ahead and simply take a simple screenshot of the story over here. Once I take a simple screenshot of the story, I'm basically going to come back. I'm going to leave it the name as it is because I want it to display. So if you don't want it to display, then you can go ahead and crop the changes, but I'll just select that story and now you can see the name has been added. It is almost similar as to the one that you can actually get when someone has tagged you. Now if you want to mention that person, you can go ahead and tag that person by going to the sticker icon, choosing the option called mention over here and just selecting their username and tagging them in that way. Once you tag them, you can also drag this in any position that you want to. So if you want to resize it as well, you can go ahead and absolutely do that as well. And just like that, you'll be able to add someone's story to your story. But the only process, as I said, is being able to actually go ahead and then take a screenshot. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.